Now we will discuss about the electric dipole. Dipole is basically a type of the system in which there are the two charges having a similar magnitude and having the different characteristics. If the one is positive, another will be the negative, but their magnitude should be the same. Is allocate with a smaller distance to each other. Such as type of the system is known as the electric dipole. तो ये आपका एक इलेक्ट्रिक डायपोल है. इलेक्ट्रिक डायपोल में होता क्या है? There are the two charge particles having the different charges but with the same magnitude. Is allocate with a smaller distance to each other. Let us suppose the distance becomes twice L. Now we have to see that if an electric dipole, it is a dipole, you may see here it is situated into a uniform electric field. ये आपका एक यूनिफॉर्म इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड में एक इलेक्ट्रिक डायपोल रखा हुआ है. एज वी नो द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ द चार्ज पार्टिकल विल होल्ड एन इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड अराउंड इट. सो it will also hold an electric field around it. Now there are the two fields which will set up here. The first field of that charge and the another field of that charge. It is already actually the electric field. So here it is an electric field. एक electric field आपका ये रहा और एक इस charge particle का electric field. Both will counter to each other, and how they counter? They will develop a force. When both of the field becomes meet to each other, they will develop a force. Let us suppose the force becomes F1 Newton. Now it will rotate the system into the clockwise direction. The direction will be the clockwise. Again here you may see, here it is a negatively charged particle and that becomes its electric field. ये इसका electric field है. That has been set up. ये कौन सा electric field में रखा हुआ है? इस uniform electric field E के अंदर. That is also being engaged in between them. What would happen? It will also exert an amount of the force which is same in the magnitude as that one. इसके बिल्कुल exact same magnitude की force है कि यहाँ develop होगी. That will be the anti-clockwise. Both these field will apply a force and that force will anti-clock because its characteristics is different. And if you see it is a positive charge particle, its force will be clockwise while that force will be anti-clockwise. Due to that, अब ये system क्या है? ये थीटा एंगल से allocate है. थीटा एंगल पर रखा हुआ है किसके साथ? To the outer electric field. Now what would happen? The system has to rotate in that condition. ये रोटेट करेगा, रोटेट करके भी क्या होगा? ये अलाइन हो जाएगा, इस फील्ड के साथ अलाइनमेंट हो जाएगा उसका. एज इट बिकम्स अलाइंड, both of the force will cancel out because the forces are similar and the direction are different. That's why the force will cancel out to each other. So that's why the system will align and becomes stop here. Now we have to just find out how much torque been acted in that case. इस पे कितना torque कर रहा एक्ट कर रहा है इस कंडीशन में. You know, whenever there is a fixed axis and the system is going to rotate around a fixed axis, जब भी कोई चीज एक fixed axis के around rotate करती है, so there is a torque which will generate. Now we know the torque is force into perpendicular distance. Now we know that the force is Q into E. In an electric field, we know for a charged particle Q, the force applied will be the QE. And the perpendicular distance will be, draw a perpendicular here. यहाँ से एक perpendicular draw करो. That will be the twice L sin theta by the geometry. And replace here, it will be the twice L sin theta. Now it becomes twice Q L E sin theta. And the twice Q L, that is electric dipole moment, that has been defined by the P. And here it is E sin theta. And it may be written as P cross E. And that should be the torque which will generate in rotating the system.